Russian Vostok Group fighter jets pounded the defenses and arsenal of the Ukrainian armed forces. In the South Donetsk direction, successive airstrikes were carried out against fortifications, temporary deployment points and warehouses of the Ukrainian armed forces. Russian airstrikes using FAB and UMPC-guided bombs. The enemy has no chance of evading, according to the video caption of the Russian Far East volunteers. Ukrainian forces continued offensive operations along the Donetsk-Zaporizhzhia Oblast border and advanced on July 27, the Institute for the Study of War said in its latest update. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky posted footage showing that Ukrainian forces liberated Staromyorsk, located some 9 kilometers south of Vika Novosilka in western Donetsk Oblast following heavy fighting in the area. Geolocated footage published on July 26 indicates that Ukrainian forces also made marginal advances north of Klishchiivka, 7 kilometers southwest of Bakhmut. The footage also suggests that Ukrainian forces made additional advances east of Robotyne, located 10 kilometers south of Orakhiv, Zaporizhzhia Oblast, during offensive operations on July 26. The fact that this lone Ukrainian vehicle advanced so far towards Russian defensive lines apparently without suffering Russian fire suggests that Ukrainian forces may have made advances in the surrounding area southeast of Orakhiv, of which ISW has not yet observed visual confirmation, reads the report. The Armed Forces of Ukraine reported on July 29 that Russia has lost 245,220 troops in Ukraine since February 24 last year. This number includes 390 casualties suffered by Russian forces over the past day. According to the General Staff, Russia has also lost 4,191 tanks, 8,167 armored fighting vehicles, 7,247 vehicles and fuel tanks, 4,786 artillery systems, 698 multiple launch rocket systems, 458 air defense systems, 315 airplanes, 311 helicopters, 4,007 drones, 7,247 special equipments and 18 boats. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, July 29 said the armed forces of Ukraine have been losing 457 airplanes in total, 244 helicopters, 5,314 unmanned aerial vehicles, 427 air defense missile systems, 11,021 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,140 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,652 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 11,951 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.